Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into some amazing money-saving tips from China that are perfect for low-income earners like you and me. These tips have been passed down through generations and can really make a difference in your financial life. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about the art of frugality. In China, people are masters at making the most out of what they have. One big tip is to buy quality items that last longer, even if they cost a bit more upfront. Think about it. By investing in durable goods, you save money in the long run because you won't have to replace things as often. Next, meal planning is a game changer. Chinese families often cook at home and plan their meals around seasonal vegetables and local produce. This not only saves money, but also ensures they're eating fresh and healthy. Try setting a weekly menu and sticking to it. You'll be amazed at how much you can save on groceries. Another tip is community support. In many Chinese neighborhoods, there's a strong sense of community where people share resources and help each other out. Need a tool for a DIY project? Borrow it from a neighbor instead of buying one. This not only saves money, but also builds strong relationships. Now let's talk about transportation. Public transport is heavily utilized in China and can save you a ton of money compared to owning a car. If you live in an area with good public transport, use it. Or consider biking or walking for shorter trips. It's good for your wallet and your health. One of the most unique aspects of Chinese saving habits is the concept of face. This means that people often live modestly and avoid flashy displays of wealth. The focus is on financial security and saving for the future, rather than spending on luxury items. Adopting this mindset can help you prioritize saving over unnecessary spending. Lastly, let's not forget about the importance of side hustles. Many Chinese people have multiple streams of income, from selling homemade goods to tutoring and freelance work. Find something you're good at or passionate about and turn it into a side hustle. Even a small additional income can make a big difference. So there you have it. The Chinese secret to saving money is all about being frugal, planning meals, supporting your community, using public transport, living modestly, and finding side hustles. These tips are simple but incredibly effective. I hope you found these tips helpful and can start incorporating some of them into your life. Remember, saving money is a journey, and every little bit counts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. See you next time.